In this quick video, I just wanted to give you a short tutorial on how to fill out Form H, the Teacher SLO Commitment Form. The first thing that you'll have to do is log into Talent Ed. Most likely the first task that you'll see in Talent Ed will be the Form H Teacher SLO Commitment Form. All you have to do is click Go to Form. Fill out the top portion that includes the date, which department you fall under. Obviously, you would put my name in the department chair column. There's a few questions that you have to answer. The first one is name of the course that will be used as your SLO to count for 15% of your teacher evaluation summative rating. In that text box, all we need is the course. So for example, I would just put investment planning. The next text box just talks about your pre-assessment. What test did you give out or are you planning to give out in the very near future? Just a brief description, maybe the number of questions, what was your objective to go along with that assessment, anything else pertinent to really describe that test. You will need to give an exact date as to when you gave that test. So I know, for example, for me, I gave it on the 31st of August. So in that case, you have to give an exact date on which date you actually gave this test to the students. The next text box talks about the post-assessment. For that box, if you're giving the same assessment as the pre-assessment, you can either A, copy and paste your exact same thing from the box up here, or if you have it changed slightly or it's added to a final exam and there might be a few other questions that you may be using, you can also add that description there. The last checkbox that you'll see, it just says the approximate date for the post-assessment. You most likely, as of right now, don't know when you will be giving it, the exact date. I know I'll be giving mine sometime in second quarter. I know it's before Thanksgiving, so I'm just going to pick November 18th. That date's not as pertinent as the first one, where the date that you actually gave it to the students. It's just a ballpark estimate. At the bottom, you'll see some attachments. You don't have to attach anything. If you have not done so already, please send me your SLO test, your assessment, as soon as possible. Once you're done, at the very bottom of the screen, you would just hit save and submit. And then that'll send it to me for me to take a look at, and then I will just check it off as completed. Thanks.